The Makita 18V Cordless Vacuum features a powerful 350-watt brushless motor that offers exceptional suction power, making it ideal for deep cleaning carpets and hardwood floors. Designed to be compatible with the Makita 18V battery series, this vacuum allows for easy battery swapping, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Its advanced multi-cyclone filtration system effectively separates dust and debris, enhancing the vacuum's durability and maintaining strong suction over time. The vacuum excels in deep cleaning performance, easily removing dirt, dust, and pet hair from various flooring types, including tiles and rugs. The motorized floor brush with built-in LED lights and flexible maneuverability helps to identify hidden debris and clean under furniture effortlessly. With its 6-in-1 versatile design and smart LED touch display, this vacuum can transform into multiple cleaning tools, making it suitable for various surfaces and tasks.